Hey everyone, welcome to WP Studio Lab. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a simple portfolio website using the default WordPress theme and block editor. If you haven't installed WordPress yet, check out my previous video where I show how to install WordPress locally using local WP. We are using the default WordPress 2025 theme. This is how the website looks by default. In this tutorial, we'll create a new page and set it as our home page. First, let's upload a favicon. Go to Settings to General and upload your site icon. Great! Our site icon has now been added. Let's start by creating the header and footer. Click Edit Site. First, click on the current header. Click the Add icon and select Site icon to upload your website logo. Click Save. Remove the default text logo. Adjust the logo size as needed. For now, we'll leave the navigation menu unchanged and come back to it later. Next, select the header section and add a light background color. Remove any unnecessary content to keep the design clean. Now scroll down to the footer. Choose a footer pattern from the right panel. Delete the default text and add your logo. Adjust the logo size drag to swap position of items. Add a paragraph block for your company tagline. At the bottom, add your copyright text. Update the menu headings. And add your contact details using paragraph blocks. To add social media icons, search for social icons and insert them. You can adjust the icon size from the Settings panel. Change the footer background color and make the text white for better visibility. Use spacer blocks to create more breathing room between elements. Don't forget to add links to your social icons. If you don't have the links yet, you can temporarily use hash. Because the footer has a dark background, I'm using a light version of the logo here. Instead of replacing the site logo block, add an image block and upload the alternate logo. This prevents the header logo from changing. The header and footer are now complete. You can preview the website in tablet and mobile view. WordPress automatically handles most of the responsiveness. Step 2. Create the home page. Go to Pages right pointing arrow, add new page. Close the pattern pop-up if it appears. Name the page Home. You may notice the page title appears at the top. We don't need that. Open Page Settings and change the template from Page to No Title. Save the page. Step 3. Create the Hero section. Search for the cover block and upload your banner image. My banner image is 1920 by 500 pixels. Make sure the section is set to full width. Adjust the overlay opacity if needed. And set the minimum height to 500 pixels. Add a heading. Center align it and customize the size, color, and spacing. Add a gallery section. Open the patterns library and choose a gallery layout. Replace the sample images with your own. I'm keeping only 3 images and removing the others. Change the layout from 4 columns to 3 columns. Step 5. Add a services section. Choose a services pattern from the patterns library. Update the heading, background color, and button text. Add additional services if needed. Check the mobile preview. If the buttons appear uneven on mobile, select each button and set it to full width. To keep the desktop layout unchanged, add the CSS code provided in the video description. Now the buttons will look consistent on mobile devices. Step 6. Create a Packages section. Duplicate the Gallery section. Change the heading to Packages. Replace the images. Add package names P6 and prices using text blocks. Adjust the font size, line spacing, and image overlay opacity for better readability. Duplicate the package cards and update the content for each package. Your package section is now complete. Step 7. Add a contact form. Create a heading and subheading for the contact section. Go to Plugin, add new plugin, Contact Form 7. Install and activate Contact Form 7. Return to the page editor, search for the Contact Form 7 inches block, and insert Contact Form 1. Preview the page. You will see the default form. Now let's customize. Open Contact Form 7 inches settings. Replace the default form code with the HTML code provided in the description. Next, additional CSS. Paste the CSS code from the description and save. Preview the website again. Now the form looks much better. To receive emails from visitors, open the form settings and click Mail. Enter your email address in the To field. If you have a domain email address, use it in the From field. Then configure the subject line and message content. Include all the form fields you want to receive in the email notification. Step 8. Create navigation links. Before creating the menu, we need section IDs. Select each section and open the advanced settings. Add an HTML anchor ID. For example, gallery. Services. Packages. Contact. Now each section has a unique ID. Go back to Edit Site and open the header template. Remove the existing menu items. Add new menu links using #gallery. #services. #packages. #contact. Remove the hash from the menu labels so visitors only see the section names. Save your changes. Now the menu links will jump to the correct sections. Step 9. Enable smooth scrolling. To make navigation feel smoother, add the smooth scrolling CSS code from the description. Save the changes. Now the page scrolls smoothly between sections. Step 10. Add the menu to the footer. Open the footer template. Add a navigation block. Select the same menu used in the header. Save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully created a simple portfolio website using WordPress and the block editor. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow WP Studio Lab for more WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.